So we're going to shoot this quick video right now to show you the difference between some of the listening technology between Leaktronics and some of the other manufacturers. In the Leaktronics deck plate, again, this is the big item for plumbers, for listening under slabs, under driveways, under asphalts, under any solid surfaces. There's multiple sensors that are inside this deck plate, and this deck plate is made to have hard contact with whatever it's sitting on. So if it's on asphalt, it's literally direct. If it's on a concrete slab, it's literally direct. Try to understand that units that have this rubber boot, and most of them do, you're losing a lot of contact. The more contact, the better the sound and the more sensitive the sounds of the leaks that you're going to pick up. And let me explain that. So if you'll notice, we have 100% contact. This is a flat plate. If you'll notice, we have 1, 2, 3 little 1/4-inch prongs that are on here. Now, if these 1/4-inch prongs were making full contact, it would pick up a better sound, but they're not. That's the way these things were designed. They were designed with the rubber boot to filter out any background noise. It's kind of a negative in the plumbing industry, let me say, for one thing. When you're listening to plumbing leaks, when you're inside a dwelling, whether you're inside a commercial building, whether you're inside a residential building, you're not going to get those big surround sound noises. You're not going to get the jets, the landscapers, the leaf blowers. I mean, you might get a little bit of it, but you can control that with the filtration that we have in the LT1000. So you're able to dial back those sounds with some of the equipment and not necessarily needing a boot in order to do it. So what I'm saying is the boot will actually decrease the sounds that you're trying to hear, whereas the hard surface will pick up those sounds and it will put you over those leaks more often than not. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.